Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today I am going to walk you through how to download Facebook video. So keep watching this video because this is super easy to do. All you need is a phone with internet access. So without any further ado, let's jump right in. So first of all, open up your Facebook app and then find a video that you want to download. In order to do this, you need a video that has been posted publicly on Facebook. If the video is private, this will not work. So, once you've found a video you like, tap on the three dots on the right and then copy the link. Once you have the link to the video, open up your preferred web browser and then search for Facebook Video Downloader and then tap on the first search result, fdown.net. So when you are on this website, paste in the URL of that video. To do that, tap and hold the screen like this and then tap paste. Then tap this download button and it will do its thing. And then scroll down a little bit and tap on more options. And then tap on Force Download HD. Exit out of the ad. And then that video will be downloaded to your phone. So go over to your gallery. And, as you can see, the video is available in your gallery. So that's all for today's video. If you found value in this, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more step-by-step tutorials like this. Thanks so much for watching and have a good day.